How you guys doing today? Today we're going to be doing a Porsche 911 Turbo S. We're going to do an interior and an exterior detail. The interior was pretty good and the outside it wasn't really bad, but it was pretty dusty. There is some construction going on at the customer's location, but overall everything came out really good and we got amazing results. So I hope you guys like this video. On the interior of the vehicle, we only use some APC, diluted 10 to 1, just to wipe everything down and a good vacuum, just to make sure every corner and every little piece is covered and clean. Now moving on to the tires, I'm using a not acid cleaner. Typically use this cleaner every time I have black wheels and aftermarket wheels. Not acid, I pre-soak it in and then I use my typical cleaner or I use my foam cannon to make sure I reach all the areas and make everything clean. And for the protection, I went with the Suds Lab ceramic spray coating. It's a pretty good spray coating for a good 3 to 6 months. I would say it will last, but it's pretty good. It's sun friendly, easy to apply and easy to remove, and it does leave behind a pretty nice shine and a pretty nice protection on it. I just wrapping it up to the end. It took about like 2 hours, the whole process. I hope you guys enjoying the before and after shots, and stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like the content, and make sure you leave any recommendations on the comments. Thanks, have a good one, guys.